warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Arul Tajam. I'm truly honored to stand before you today to show the story of man whose life has touched heart across continents, Nelson Mandela. His journey is not just a chapter in his storybook. He is the most people we need to be some pedoman. It's living example of resilience, courage, and the power of hopes. Today, I invite you to walk with me, talk the life of a man who refused to be broken, even when the world to try to silence him. Nelson Mandela was South African anti-apartheid revolutionary, lawyer, and political leader. He spent his life fighting against a system that divided people by race, stripped them of dignity, and denied them justice. But Mandela didn't respond with hatred, he responded with vision. His story teaches us that even in the darkest time, determination and compassion can lead to change. He believed that peace was not absence of conflict, but the presence of justice. Mandela was born on July 1918 in the small village of Mepzo, in the Eastern Cape of South Africa. He was given the name Rolil Lahlah, which means pulling the branch of a tree, or more playfully, troublemaker. From a young age, Mandela was exposed to African tradition, storytelling, and leadership. From young age, Mandela was exposed to African tradition. He attended a Methodist school where he was given the name Nelson by a teacher. A common practice under colonial rule. As he grew older, he began to notice the injustice around him. Like South Africa were treated as second-class citizens in the land. And this early experience planted the seeds of resistance in heart. Mandela's life was not easy. He joined the African National Congress, or ANC, and became a voice for the voiceless. But the activism came at cost. In 1962, he was arrested and later sentenced to life imprisonment during the revenge trial. He spent 27 years in prison, 18 of them on Robben Island, where he was forced to the hard labor and was allowed only on 6 months. Imagine being separated from your family, your children, your freedom for nearly 3 decades. Yet Mandela never gave up. He studied, he wrote, and he continued to believe in better future. His resilience became a symbol of strength for oppressed people everywhere. There were key moments that changed Mandela's fate. He helped from the ANC Youth League, which gave voice to young activists to demand change. The Rivonia Trial took painful, brought global attention to the injustice in South Africa. International pressure grew, and in 1919, Mandela was finally released from prison. His release was just a political event. It was a moment of hope. People danced in the street, the world waited, and Mandela walked out of the prison, not with bitterness, but with grace. Mandela achieved what seemed impossible. In 1994, he became the first black president of South Africa, leading the country toward unity and healing. He didn't seek revenge. He sought reconciliation. He invited his former enemy to the table and built a government that presented all South Africa. In 1998, he received the Nobel Peace Prize alongside FW and de Klerk for their effort to dismantle apartheid peacefully. Mandela became a global icon, not just South Africa, but for humanity. His legacy lives on school, streets, and heard around the world. What Mandela made so resilient? First, his courage. He faced dangers without fear, even when the cost was his freedom. Second, his empathy. He understood the pain of others and thought not just for himself, but for generations to come. Third, vision. He dreamed of South Africa where all people could live in harmony. And finally, but in not least, his discipline. He never let anger control him, he chose wisdom over impulse. This quality made him not just a leader, but a legend. Mandela life teacher us powerful lesson. First is perseverance. Never give up no matter how hard the journey. Second is forgiveness. He chose resilience over revenge, even after years of suffering. Third, his leadership. True leaders serve others and inspire hope. He once said, "I am not a saint, unless you think of a saint as a sinner who keeps on trying." That humility, that honestly, is what made him relatable to all of us. For inclusion, Nelson Mandela story is testament to the strength of human spirit. He showed us that resilience can overcome oppression and that hope can build a better future. His life reminds us that change is possible even when the odds are against us. As students, as future, we must carry his legacy forward. Let us stand up for justice, speak out against inequality, and never lose faith in the power of change. In this documentary of Nelson Mandela. To end this presentation, I like to share one Mandela most famous quote. It's always seems impossible until it's done. This quote reminds us that no challenge is too great. When we believe in our purpose, let the symbol of peace, justice, and unity guide us. Just I take it that Mandela. Thank you very much listening and stay healthy and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.